Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Keith Winslet. So you saw the initial video clip. So ito yung part 2. If you saw or watch my part 1, which is the actual AirTag that I purchased, this time around it's a combination of a simple review of the AirTag Smart Wallet or Minimalist Wallet. Dumating na. Ito na siya guys. And then, I will go ahead and discuss some features, tips, and ano yung mga usage nito. Okay? So, let's go. Let's start and let me unbox first the AirTag Minimalist Smart Wallet. Let's go. Okay guys, so there you have it. So you saw yung initial time-lapse video. So ito siya. Ito yung sinasabi kong binili ko na minimalist wallet. May mga certain cards kang pwedeng lagay and everything. Pwede nga lagyan mo na may picture ID mo. And then some few cards and cash. So ito siya. So with AirTag parang slot here. So this is, I don't know kung anong product to, pero I just randomly check it online in Shopee and even in Lazada Malaysia. I bought this, very cheap lang siya. I think kasama na yung delivery fee, kasi yung delivery fee I think 1 ringgit and 50 cents. So tapos yung pinaka-actual item, I think 12 ringgit. So, parang pumapalo siya ng mga 13.50. 14 mo na, i-round off mo siya. So, yun yun. Kasi nga, like what I said, I'm using the card holder as a wallet. So, at least, I have na. Plus, on top of that, it has an AirTag slot. And then, I'll discuss yung mga features and simple benefit ng AirTag, not only, let's say, to track your lost wallet and whatnot. Clear? So there you have it. So here's the wallet with the Apple Airtag. Okay, so let's discuss naman a quick hindi naman in-depth review about the Apple Airtag. So tinanggal ko lang ulit sa wallet here. So I'll discuss it, I'll make it quick. Ano yung mga basic niya, and then I will give you like a video infomatic para makita nyo ano yung sinasabi ko or ano yung pinopoint ko regarding this. Kasi may mga certain benefits siya, not only for smart tracking, but there are also other features. And this is the reason why I bought the Apple, kasi sabi ko nga mas marami na ring ibang smart tracking devices. And ito yung medyo nakita ko, meron siyang different feature na wala yung iba. So let's start. One is precision finding. When you say precision finding, let's say nawala yung wallet ko, na misplace ko sa kwarto. If I will try to find it, it will precisely, like in the video, ititrace niya kung saan. And talagang makikita mo kung nasaang direksyon yung wallet mo. So bottom line, let's say initially na iwanan mo sa isang area ng sala mo. So initially pag tinrack mo, makikita yun sa map. Tapos biglang pag lumalapit ka na, may certain feet or how many feet, magpe-precision finding siya. And then there will be like an arrow like what you're seeing in the video. So ganun ng isa sa mga features niya is precision finding. And very accurate siya hanggang to the point you are already near the Apple Airtag. So that's one of the features. So I wrote it down. Next is lost mode. Sa lost mode naman, let's say there's an option wherein you will set up the AirTag as a lost mode. The purpose of lost mode is wherein, let's say, nawala yung wallet mo along with the AirTag. So in your mobile phone, you can also use that option and you will see there lost mode, and wherein pag pinili mo yung option na yon, you can also write down your name and the mobile number. Assuming, let's say, may nakahanap, they're very honest and very kind enough to return to you your Apple AirTag, and same goes with the wallet. So, makikita nila yung name mo and the number you can contact with that person na nawala yung AirTag. And this one thing I can assure you, naka-encrypt naman, very strict si Apple dyan when it comes to privacy. So rest assured, it is privacy compliant, and that's the reason why they created the feature which is the lost mode. And wherein you can write your name and register your mobile number, and let's say they have the wallet and the AirTag, they can go ahead and kahit Android or iPhone, they can scan the AirTag and it will pop up. It will lead them to the website wherein it will indicate their my name and the mobile number that they can reach me. Okay? So that is the lost mode. Second one is Siri. We all know all iPhones devices has Siri. So basically, you can just simply by telling to Siri, where's my, let's say, wallet. Kasi remember, if you tag this wallet and there's AirTag and then nirename mo dun sa AirTag as wallet. So if you command Siri to look for your wallet, magkakaroon to ng notification at mag-chirp siya. So that is the feature ni AirTag or ni Siri to command to find the AirTag. Next, this is what you call NFC shortcut. Actually, lahat ng mga AirTags or smart tracking, may NFC yan. So, ano yung feature niya? So, we have a feature in iPhone wherein you can use AirTag for specific NFC features. So, ito siya. Tingnan mo lang sa video. For example, you have the AirTag. Pag dinikit mo to sa mobile phone mo, sa iPhone, merong command ka or shortcut commands na kinrate mo, biglang kukonekta sa YouTube. Or, inano mo yung AirTag, biglang automatic, mag-FaceTime video calling, let's say, for in my case, my wife. Matic na yon. Kumbaga, it's a shortcut feature wherein pag lumapit yung AirTag ko, tinap ko dun sa phone ko, pwede siyang mag-command ng calling o who knows, you want, pag tinap mo yung AirTag malapit sa phone mo, i-open niya yung si Facebook app. So that's what you call the NFC shortcuts. Another one is accessories. If you can see, there are lots of accessories. Sadly to say, if you will buy the Apple, let's say, keychain and then for tag, medyo pricey. Pero luckily, there are third party wherein you can purchase and you can protect para anti-scratch din. Kasi ang hirap dito pag na-scratch yung yung AirTag mo. So we have third parties and even the Apple product when it comes to keychain, AirTag, parang what do you call it, loop. So you can use that. So you can see here in the video, yan yung or picture na yung mga pwedeng added accessories that you can use. Like mine. Sabi ko yung wallet, di ba? Oh, you can put your AirTag there. Okay? Next feature is sa battery naman. So, according to Apple, The AirTag can last up to 1 year yung battery niya. Kasi syempre, nakapwesto lang naman to sa wallet mo or sa backpack along with the keychain. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka, unless huwag mo naman palagi siyang nalulos, di ba? Syempre, in such a way, yung usage ng battery mas medyo magiging aggressive. But if naka-standby mode lang naman yan, it's up to 1 year. And as you can see in the video, it's very easy to change the battery by simply this silver. If you can see the video, iikot mo lang yon, and then, boom, yung battery niya, yung parang kala mo yung piso. Siyempre, yung shape niya, ganun din. And then, you can now replace it. So, that's one of the features. Or again, it's up to 1 year. Next is, this is what we call it's a quick feature na isa sa mga ano niya is water resistant. So technically, you can drop this up to 1 meter ng lalim ng tubig, and then within up to 30 minutes. So pwede siya. So technically I think IP67 siya, yung pagiging waterproof niya. So yun yung one of the quick features na advantage nito. So especially kung umuulan, walang kaso, hindi siya mababasa. But another quick feature is may mga certain you can use this, like if you can see my mountain bike, there are some accessories or features na pwede mo itago, ilagay mo doon para kung nawala yung bike mo, you can go ahead and track it. But make sure, try to hide it na hindi makikita. Kung just in case, sadly, merong masamang taong kinuha yung bike mo, right? So at least hindi nila ma-detect na you have a Apple Airtag and you can trace saan na napunta yung bike mo. So basically that's it. But one thing for sure, there are still lots of features that you can use for the Apple Airtag, but mainly not only for wallet, for your backpack, or for your baggage. Let's say kung lilipad ka sa aeroplano, or even you can you can use the AirTag for your, like what I said, for your bike, for your pets, as a parang ano nila yun, necklace para to trace. And you can also use this for your kid. Let's say may anak kang bata, pwede mo ilagay sa kanila na naka-keyring sa belt nila para at least you can trace kung nasaan yung anak mo. But overall, those are some of the features that I provided, and then later on I'll show it to you paano a quick setup, a simple video as well, how to quick setup, because like what I mentioned, once I remove this, it will trigger and magtutunog siya na stating it's start now to activate the Apple Airtag. And like what I said, kailangan ko na siyang i-pair up at i-set up sa phone ko, and I will rename it, let's say in this case for now, wallet, and then eventually I'll buy some keychain for this kasi hindi naman necessarily for a wallet, and who knows, I'll buy another one just for my backpack. Okay? So if you reach this portion, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And again, for future and incoming videos just like this one, please follow also my Facebook page, KCM Videos, and also let me promote my wife's vlog, which is Colette's Vlog YouTube channel. So again, thank you very much. Terima kasih. Maraming salamat, and have a great day. So ganito pala siya. Tumunog. Yung pala yun. So, set up ko na. Then, fairness lagay natin sa wallet. Cool. Winner.